Up Science is a non-profit student-led organization at the University of Alberta designed to share the love of science and provide opportunities for students to explore science. Our computer science workshop provides opportunities for both beginners and experienced coders to learn more about computer science and how it applies into our real world.
The computer science workshop covers the entirety of the high school computer science curriculum. This includes structural, procedural, and object-oriented programming. Some of the specific learning outcomes we have is using and combining selective, sequential, and iterative operators, using simple data structures, and creating and calling methods and functions. Some of the more general but maybe more practical learning outcomes include planning and organizing information, problem solving with the tools at your disposal, and troubleshooting to test for and correct errors.
This online workshop will be taking place from October 16th to October 31st. With the beginner stream on Saturdays and the intermediate stream on Sundays. Both will run from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The beginner side will focus on making a small game in Python, a programming language, and the intermediate will focus on making a graphical user interface application in the Java programming language. There will also be a project showcase on November 6th, which is a Saturday, with prizes for top projects.
There will be a guest speaker panel on the last day of the event. And there will be 5 guest speakers. There are Advisor Gannon, Advisor Nelson, Dr. Zane, Professor Lu from the HIP program, and representatives from the ADAS team.
Thanks so much everyone for watching this video. We're really excited for you all to come. For more information on the event, check out the Team Up Science website, and you can use the QR code on the screen to register. Bye everyone, see you there!